Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make raspberry strudel, only way. Preheat your oven and get your workspace ready with flour, a rolling pin, and a clean towel. Follow each simple step to layer buttered phyllo or stretched dough, spread the raspberry filling evenly, and roll tightly for even baking. I'll guide you through filling balance, sealing edges, and baking tips so your strudel is golden, crisp, and full of bright raspberry flavor every time. Begin by macerating raspberries with sugar and a touch of lemon zest to enhance brightness and natural flavor. Stir in a measured amount of cornstarch to avoid a runny filling and maintain juicy pockets inside the strudel. Keep the filling cool so it does not loosen the phyllo, and spoon it into an even strip to ensure consistent distribution. These small steps keep texture perfect and tasting notes vivid in every slice. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for the kitchen, playing music, setting precise timers, and reading recipes aloud so you can bake hands-free. I find it keeps the rhythm while rolling strudel and saves my phone from spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Lay out phyllo sheets and brush each with melted butter in a gentle, even layer so the pastry bakes into delicate, crisp sheets. Place the filling in a centered line, fold the sides, and roll snugly to trap steam and build layers. Apply an egg wash to get a glossy, golden top, then bake until color is rich and aroma fills the kitchen. Allow a short rest before slicing so the filling firms up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.